Hey everybody, welcome back to Stringman Guitars. Being in the COVID season, figured it'd be a good time to take care of one of my own guitars. We've got the Carvin Bolt Plus kit with the Kiesel tuners, the CTS pots, the 5-way switching. We've got a new nut for it, and we are also got the long lost truss rod cover. Reason for the new nut is the original nut. This is a kit that I bought off of somebody who hacked it up pretty good, and the nut, the B and the E are cut too low, and that is, I'm going to say it's probably below 18 thou. Yeah, it's below 18 thou. So got a new nut, Graphtech, and well, it's Kiesel's Graphtech, made by the same people. They just package their own. Same dealio though. So yeah, here you go. Graphtech nut. Doesn't say Graphtech anywhere on it. I know that I'm going to have to take it down some. Off to the side here I have some sandpaper. Take off the two manufacturing burrs. So that's done. You see that there is some there, so that's taken care of. And we're probably going to have to burn a set of strings. Stand by, we need new batteries. So we switched over to our Dremel at the Ernie Ballsack thing that's about to bite it anyhow, so. Why mess around, right? Alright, so we're loose. And get these strings out of here. Like I said, we probably will burn a set by having to do this. And we're going to need our X-Acto just to put a cut along the bottom here. Do not gooch yourself by doing that. And we want to come across the top here too. And that'll pop it right off. So, get a little bit of a sanding block and clean this up here. Just going to That's what it looks like when the block's off, and there's the wood glue that was holding it on. Seems to be what I want. The new nut fits perfectly. You see it's way high. I will throw the strings back on this and tighten it down again. See what kind of shape our string height's in. I didn't think I was going to have to, I didn't think these strings were this corroded. Hasn't been played much, but nonetheless. Sort of bring it up to tune here. Alright, so what we're looking for is 20 thousandths. And I'm sure it's way higher than that. Yeah, so we're going to have to sand this down. Let's see, what are we at? I'll go with a 20 and a 10. Is that far off? Yeah. So, oh, that's a 20 and 18. So I could take 18 thousandths off. So I've got a piece of 220 sandpaper here from the Evil Empire. We're just gonna sand until that edge is gone. Okie dokie, after, I don't know, 5 tries of trying to get this right, we finally got ourselves the nut seated, and we are right at 20 thou. And quite happy with that. Okay, so the nut has been glued on. Just cleaned up the fingerboard a little bit. And on an oil finish guitar, one of the best things I've found is, I don't know if you can read that or not, Renaissance, come on. Stupid light. Renaissance wax. It's used by museums to protect waxed wood finishes. So a little bit goes a long way. Got strings off. Might as well give it some love. Alright, so that's done. Put that rag away, put this stink away. And this is what we're going with. Since those other strings are really crudded up. So I'll get the strings on here and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're restrung up with a fresh spanking set of Ernie Ball 946, 42, whatever they are. 942s. We're tuned up, strings are stretched, and let's go ahead and measure, see where we're at when it comes to the relief. We adjusted it last night. Let's see where we're at. Oh, need the capo on the first fret. Good ball. 17th fret. Just a hair tight. That's perfect. Fly with that. Let's take a look at where our string height is. Should it be at 464 across the, and we're over 464, so the adjustment to the nut changed that. So we're going to bring this down some, and after quite a bit of futzing around, we have got our neck relief correct. We're at 10 thousandths. We have our string height correct, 4 thousandths. Across the board, and we have our intonation all done. Compliments of the Peterson. So the last thing to check is, couldn't believe how much this guitar changed from when it was built. I guess it had to do a little settling in. There we go. String height gauges. Pick up string height. Those are still good. That could come out. Too much. There we go. And that could get out of here. So seasonal changes on guitars are important. There we go. The intonation looks quite different than it did last time I did it. I guess because it was apart for so long. You know, once I finally got the finish on and got it strung up. So this should be good until the fall. And for the next trick we have, and this will be a multi-part video. One of my buddies from the Carvin site sent me a set of pickups that I've had before. They're Alan Holdsworth H22s from Carvin. Can't get them no more new since Jeff Kiesel took the channel over and made it all a more of a metal type company. So anyhow, oh, we still have to put the headstock, or the what do I want to call it? Got to put the finishing touch on, and that would be the truss rod cover. If I could find where I put it. There it is. Yeah. Go that way. go that way, go straight back, and find the hole, button the screw, the guy I bought the kit off of that had it pretty well screwed up. Just kind of tossed the original truss rod cover. I thought it looked pretty dumb without it, so I went on Kiesel website and ordered me a brand new one. There. I'll peel the peely thing off a bit later. But hey man, kind of looks finished now. Just gotta clip the strings and we're done. You guys have a great day and take care of each other. Please subscribe and take care of each other.